Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Pops. Today we are going to cook lamb biryani. This is the third recipe from the leg of lamb we cooked earlier. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients we'll be using for today's recipe. For a full list of ingredients, please check the description box at the bottom of the video.
I'll start this recipe by cutting one large onion. Cut it into 4 sections. Peel the onion skin off the top. Now I'll chop this onion into smaller pieces. This is quite a dense onion, so it will cook good. It might take a little longer, but it tastes good. Yeah, these are the chopped pieces of onion. So onion is now prepared. I'll prepare 3 medium-sized potatoes now. First I'll peel it, then I'll cut it. Now I'll cut these potatoes into 4 pieces each. So potatoes are now done. These are now ready for cooking. Now I'll start cutting lamb, which is little over a pound, which we got from the leg of lamb we roasted. I'll cut them into bite-sized pieces. These are the sizes of cut lamb. These are the final pieces of lamb we are going to cook. I'm now going to prepare the rice, and it's about 2 mugs of rice. I'll start by putting hot water in it. What I'm doing here is removing starch from the rice. So when the starch is removed, the rice turns out good in biryani. You can see starch coming out. I'll do 2 more times. Now with warm water. You can see the color is changing, the starch is getting less and less. And last with cold water. And give a good massage to the rice and take out all the starch as much as possible. Almost the starch is gone. I'll put this broth in the rice. This broth I prepared earlier from another beef roast. I use broth because it gives more taste in biryani. If you don't have broth, you can use regular water. Because I have 2 mugs of rice, I'll put in 4 mugs of broth. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll use this in curry. I'm going to cook rice first, and side by side I'll be cooking rest of the biryani. This I'll put on medium-high temperature and we'll start it. This is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of canola oil. I'll just stir it and blend it and let it cook. Now we are going to start cooking the rest of the biryani in this pan. This is 1 cup of corn oil. I'll start with high heat. The oil is hot now, and I'll start with onions. And best thing is to keep on stirring. This onion has to become dark brown. In biryani we make it dark brown because it gives a different kind of taste in it. And keep on stirring so that it's equally cooked all over. This is halfway to cooking brown, and I'm going to put potatoes in this. Here are the potatoes. Let's keep on frying the potatoes and onion together. Because when the biryani is cooked, these potatoes will taste really good because they are fried. Still cooking on high heat. You want to make the onions really brown. You can see the onion is changing color and potatoes are cooking too at the same time. I'll keep it for a little bit longer because I want a little bit darker onion. Now I'll reduce the temperature to medium. I'll put some broth in it and we'll steam it for about 5 to 7 minutes. It's about 6 minutes and I'm going to remove the lid. So it looks good. Now I'll start putting spices in this. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cardamom, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of hot mustard, 1 tablespoon of coriander paste, 1 tablespoon of tamarind and jaggery sauce, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. I'll blend all the spices along with the onion and potatoes, and last I'll add in lamb. I'll blend this well. And let it cook on low heat for about 5 more minutes. In the meantime, rice is ready to go in this. So I'm going to move it from the heat and put it on the side. Earlier I said I put canola oil in rice, but I actually put corn oil. It's about 5 minutes now and I'm going to remove the lid. It looks pretty good. Most of the water is gone. And now we'll put this rice in on top of this. This rice is about 90% cooked and I'll put it in the biryani. You can see the steam coming out, that's from the water. We'll cover it up once again and cook it for 10 minutes. It's cooking on low heat. It's 10 minutes now and I'll remove the lid. The rice looks pretty good. I just turn the stove off, I'll let it cool and then I'll plate it. Now I'll start plating the biryani. I'll start with rice. Biryani is cooked in layer. The masala is below and the rice is on top. So first we'll take out the rice as much as we want. And then we'll take out masala from below. That will be seen on top. You can see all the lamb, the potatoes, and everything looks like nice and cooked. It looks about done.
This is our finished lamb biryani ready to eat. We hope you enjoyed this series of lamb recipes using our leg of lamb roast. If you have any comments, please leave them below in the comments section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so, and remember to hit the bell button so you are notified each and every time we post a new video, and remember to share this video with all of your friends.
Until next time, it's time for taste test, and I'm going to do it now. This has turned out quite perfect. I just love it. I'm going to keep eating this. Thank you for tuning in and watching this series using leg of lamb. Stay tuned for more interesting recipes in future.